Hi, I am Usman Marvia and you are watching my channel Stat Specialist. Today I will talk about mutually exclusive event. Two events A and B are said to be mutually exclusive event if they cannot both occur at the same time that they have no point in common. In mutually exclusive A and B two events they cannot occur at the same time. They occur differently. Examples: when we toss a coin, we get either a head or a tail, but not both. The two event head and tail are therefore are mutually exclusive. In example first, if we toss a coin, there is two possibilities, head and tail. They occur differently. If head occur, tail does not occur, and if tail occur, head does not occur. They are called mutually exclusive events. When a dice is rolled, the outcomes are mutually exclusive, as we get one and only one of six possible outcomes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In second example, if we roll a dice, one outcome occur at the dice face out of 6. There is either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any of this. They occur differently. Similarly, a student there qualifies or fail. If he qualify the exam, there does not fail, and if he fails, he does not pass the exam. They occur differently. Go next. Not mutually exclusive event. If two events A and B can occur at the same time, they are not mutually exclusive. Example: if we draw a card from an ordinary deck of 52 playing cards, it can be both a king and a diamond. Therefore, king and diamond are not mutually exclusive because king also belong the diamond. Two events, first king and diamond, occur at the same time, they are not mutually exclusive. Go next. Exhaustive event. Event are said to be collectively exhaustive event when the union of the mutually exclusive event in the entire sample space S. In exhaustive event, there are mutually exclusive event when we union these mutually exclusive event, they form the sample space. Examples: in our coin tossing experiment, head and tail collectively exhaustive set of events. Second, event A and A complement from a partition as they are mutually exclusive and their union is the entire sample space. We see in these pictures A and A complement set. They are mutually exclusive. There is no common thing in it. When we combine, when we union these sets, they make sample space. Next, equilikely event. Two event, two events A and B are said to be equilikely when one event is likely to occur as their other. Events should occur in equal number in repeated trial. Example: when a fair coin is tossed, the head is as likely to appear as the tail, and they proportion of the time each side in expected to appear in 1 over 2. There is 50% chance a head occur and 50% chance tail occur. The probability of occurring same in both event. If head occur, their probability 1 by 2, and if tail occur is probability 1 by 2. Thank you for watching.